Hello friends, I am Manisha Sinha. Welcome you to the show Media and Mandate. The news trending today is the Undersecretary at HRD Ministry has written a proposal to all IITs and IIM across the country to make separate eating zone for vegetarian and non-vegetarian member based on a proposal sent by a few organizations including an RSS affiliated organization from Madhya Pradesh. The reason as they say is the vegetarian students at the institute are consuming non-vegetarian food and adopting the Western culture, which is inculcating the tamas nature in them. Is the reason justified? To talk on this subject, we have Shailendra Bora, Sandeep Singh, Rituraj Sapkota, and Nitesh Sharma. Welcome to all of you to the show. My very first question is to you, Sandeep. Whether the IITs and IIM should implement this proposal? What do you think?
I think they should implement it because it's a recommendation made by the parties. 25 parties have made the recommendations to the Under Secretary of HRD Ministry. It is not just RSS, and I think there is nothing wrong if you are eating, if you are a vegetarian and if you want to eat alone or if you want to eat separately, not alone, then what is wrong in it?
What's your take on that?
I agree with what Sandeep is saying. I think, see, if there are a lot of people in this country who are vegetarian by nature, not by nature, I mean by religion, and it's very deep rooted in them. There are some people who are disgusted by the very presence of meat. Not saying it's right, not saying it's wrong, but if there is somebody who does not want to be in the presence of a meat eater, and if there is a zone where he can go and eat with other people of his type or her type, I think there's nothing wrong with it.
How can you generalize? Every vegetarian wants a secluded place for eating.
I did not make that statement, and that statement is of course not true. Not every vegetarian wants to be on his own. There are some who want to be, and I think it is due to that.
Okay, what's your take on that?
Well, it has got much severe implications. When we say vegetarian, non-vegetarian, it's not just as we understand meat eaters and non-meat eaters. Actually, it has got an implication of caste. Okay, when you say non-vegetarians, when you say vegetarians, people belonging to certain castes, people belonging to a particular religion, they don't eat meat. But people belonging to some other religion and some other caste, they do eat meat. So here it is not about separating and giving us different spaces, but actually segregating the people between the meat eaters and non-meat eaters. So that's where I think it should not be welcomed.
So let's see what you have to say on this.
I completely agree with his point that this proposal shouldn't be accepted neither by the IITs nor by the IIMs, because as he's saying that it is separating not only the students but their friends or their batchmates as well, and it's I mean indirectly or directly they are doing the religion thing as well.
I just want to disagree with that point. Exactly. I do not think it's nice to dramatize and all that. It's very fashionable to paint the entire right wing with one brush. But I do not think anybody can forcibly separate friends who are.
I'm not saying forcibly they are separating it.
At the food
painting, this is not dramatizing. It is reality, my friends. We have to accept.
We have to accept.
It has got an implication.
We have to
caste.
accept.
Why is it that those 25 groups only, and to which those 25 groups belong to? What are their affiliations? And why is there?
Certainly, there are
different groups in the country.
To add to this fact, the student never asked for a separate eating zone. This is the RSS member who is coming forward with this proposal.
It is not an RSS.
Sorry, there are some
one of the
RSS,
parties,
right.
like he said, is apparently
Well,
affiliated
it's
with
not the
RSS.
question
Maybe
of
it's a person and what that he meant.
but it's a question of what kind of ideology these 25 groups have got, and why should they approach a government, particularly this government? Why did they not approach earlier?
Maybe they approached earlier, we do not know that.
Yes.
Maybe it did not go through, but to quote from the undersecretary who passed on this message, he said he passed it because there were certain proposals made to him.
And then at a time when there is a lot of hate towards cow slaughtering, and at a time when there is a hate towards people eating meat, what does it indicate? It indicates very much a division, a segregating people.
I
But
think
this is not the
If
case.
a person
If
doesn't
I'm
want
a-
to sit separately, then why he is made to sit separately?
no. I
There
do
is
not
nothing
think
like that.
anybody
It's-
made
There is
to-
not
exactly, it's not like
segregation
that.
of students.
Exactly, it's not
It
like
is
that.
not
To
segregation
cut
of
your point.
students. It is segregation of eating places.
Exactly.
They are
No,
just
I
saying.
agree.
They are
Eating
just saying.
places.
They are just saying that.
And
One at a
they
time,
are
please.
saying,
One
and
at
they
a
are-
time,
Give me
please.
eight. Give
One at a time,
non-vegetarian eight places. They are just saying that out of the 10 tables, give non-vegetarian 8 tables. Give us 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, what do you have to say on
Well,
that?
What
just
is
a
that?
moment,
Yes.
a moment. Just
Okay.
I would like to answer this. In villages, there is a separation of places. Okay, Dalits living outside the village, the people of belonging to high caste. They
But
live in
that
villages.
that doesn't have to do anything on
Here,
this.
no, here
Let
we
him-
say
let him
the
complete.
separation of places. They are living separately, they are living separately. But what does it indicate? It indicates segregation.
Yes.
So, it's
Is
not
this
about the
segregation?
Yes,
Dalits,
exactly, that is- that is-
non-Hindus.
That
It is
is-
just about the food. It includes Dalits also. It includes other communities also.
Yes,
It's
for
about
example,
the vegetarians and the
no.
non-vegetarians.
My
No,
question is here.
let's be very clear. When we say vegetarians, it doesn't include Dalits, those who don't eat meat. They will not be allowed. For example, there are places in the cities.
This case is not. This case is not in IITs and
My
IIMs.
question.
Forget
Who
about
asked this?
IITs and
This
IIMs.
case is not in IITs
There are
and
in
IIMs.
cities. There are in cities houses for rent. It is very clearly put only for vegetarians.
There are hotels across
Yes.
the country.
Yes.
which says only
Even
for
even my
vegetarians.
family used to do it.
But
Even-
no,
even the-
even my
when
family
it
used to
says
do it.
veg, it doesn't indicate the caste. So
I
much,
think
but
we're
when you
diverting
say-
from the
No.
topic.
Even
I
the
think-
even
Who
the
are those
premier.
people?
I agree. There's a lot of prejudice against giving rooms to people of other religions.
But the
So on and
question
so
here
forth.
is
Even
why
the premier-
But
should
whatever-
that be implemented? The
No, it should not
separate-
be implemented.
Of course. it
Even
should
the
not be
premier
implemented.
newspaper publishing institute in India does
I
not
have-
allow non-vegetarian food inside its premises. What is wrong in it?
Yeah,
They
it
are
is
practicing
wrong.
it.
Doesn't mean some premier
Nobody is
newspaper
not
does
practicing
that. That is something right. Then we
Yes.
have to follow it.
What I'm
The
saying
Hindu
is
newspaper you are
in
talking
hostels
about.
across the country, in hostels across the country, Father, you might be aware of it. Even in minority institutions, you do have separate seating for vegetarians and
But to
non-vegetarians.
combat this
Yes.
sentence,
Yes,
I have
friends.
a quote
Yes,
from
friends,
the
we do
newspaper.
have separate
Excuse
seating
me, one at a
arrangement.
time. You
Just
get a
moment.
chance.
It's only for the convenience sake. It is not meant for separating.
What
I do
if
not think we can generalize such statements without asking, because we do know people. I'm pretty sure all of us know at least one person who experiences discomfort in the presence of somebody whose food habits does not match his or hers.
But
What
I
is-
have a quote from the student itself from IIT Kharagpur. He say we never had any problem in our institute so far. Those who are vegetarians eat vegetarian food. Those who are not non-vegetarian eat non-vegetarian food.
Perfectly,
Yes.
let it continue. But in case there is somebody who would like to eat food separately, maybe somebody is fasting, maybe somebody is grieving somebody's death in the family, would not like to be in the presence of meat, does not have to sit there, but if he likes to sit there, I say why not?
My
Yes.
question to you
Exactly.
again is why only IIT and IIM? If this
It's-
is the problem,
Yes.
it should start from every institute. It should go to every institute. Why only IIT and IIM?
it's a
These-
premier? Yes, it's a premier institute. It has to start from somewhere. They are talking about IITs and IIMs.
See,
But
If
these
it-
are the
if
people
it's-
who go abroad
that is
and
not-
work
that is
with
not a
every
valid point.
foreigner. They have a non-vegetarian culture. Why do you implement why do you propose something like that in an institute like which have placement abroad?
See, when
They
you
have
say-
you
I
will
agree
have to
with you.
cope up with that.
I agree with you, but
Right?
I don't think there are places in Western countries where you won't get any vegetarian food. I don't think there is any country.
What's
In
your take
Western,
on that?
in Western
You
countries,
may get
there are
less
no
number of
vegetarian
vegetarian
food. There are no
food. You may
vegetarian
get
food.
less
In
options,
Western
but you
countries,
will get
the people are
vegetarian
converting
food.
into vegetarians.
No, you will get
have any
vegetarian
data.
food. It's a
Do you have
trend
any
in
data
vegetarian
with you?
country.
What do you
It's
have
a
to say
trend
on
in
that?
Western countries.
Let
themselves
Father
saying
speak.
that
Let Father
vegetarians
speak.
are good.
It's a trend in
Father speak.
European
Please,
countries.
please.
Let
Madam,
Father
madam,
speak.
to your clarification, why only IIMs and IITs?
Yes.
IIMs and IITs has got the cream of the society. Who are those cream of the society coming from which community? So precisely is the request from IITs and IIMs.
We can
And
have
this is
conspiracy
what I-
theories, but
Why
I also
does
like
it
to
not come
think.
from rural schools?
What do you have to say on that?
I think there are many schools across this country, like I stated earlier, including minority institutions, which do have separate seating. Of course, he's already quoted the reason of convenience for that. But there are people, I mean, if there is somebody who does not have a problem sitting with non-vegetarians, let him go
Yeah.
sit with them, no problem.
There
But
is
if
no
there
one-
is somebody who has a problem with it, then I just do not see the problem. I think we are making a mountain out of a molehill.
Yeah, just because
Okay,
RSS is
let's
associated.
enough of the
Just
discussion.
because
Let's
RSS is
move on to the
associated,
next question.
we cannot
What
say
do
that.
you think is the government what do you think is the government doing, considering the non-vegetarian, or it is just another move? It's just another political move to promote its Hindutva ideology.
I do not think this is a governmental policy that has been put into place. This is one letter that has been forwarded by the Under Secretary of one particular ministry.
Yes.
Without going higher than himself, to the deans and directors of IIMs and IITs for their introspection.
Well, friends, it is nothing to do with the government as such, but the government is ruled by a particular party which has got a particular ideology, an ideology which is being supported by certain groups. So this request has
Which
come from
support
those
certain
certain
group
groups who are in
includes
the
the
particular
majority
party,
of
and
very
that
large
particular
percentage.
party is in the government. So it is on a political move.
And if such institutions obviously they accept the proposal, then it can be that the parties in the center, so they can propose something else as well relating to religions or something.
What's your
My
take?
point is
I
that
think-
I just want to say
Let
one
Sandeep
thing.
speak,
Just-
let Sandeep
just
speak.
one point is that not only vegetarians, even non-vegetarians want to sit somewhere alone, because if they are eating non-vegetarian food, vegetarian people make different kind of faces and all that. They say that okay, you sit alone, we will sit alone, and we will eat food.
But
And if
don't you
want,
think
we can-
lunchtime is the time when students come and
What-
mingle with each other?
Yes,
Don't you
they
think
are-
if separating
they
that
do
time
mingle.
of the
Vegetarians
they
make
do
that
mingle.
thing, yeah.
They do
Vegetarians do
mingle.
that thing,
It's
not the
not that. It's
non-vegetarians.
not
Let
that.
him speak, please.
It's not that they do mingle, but the thing is that some people cannot accept the smell and the taste and all that of non-vegetarian food. Let them eat alone or let them eat separate.
Yeah, and he should know because
Just-
he's a vegetarian himself.
Well,
Yes.
friends, the concept of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So vegetarian is something acceptable, and you say non-vegetarian is something non-acceptable. That's why the word. So why can't it be meatarians and non-meatarians?
It's
that's
not
where
like this, sir.
It is
Yes,
very
yes,
much
yes,
the
that's
concept
not
of-
really-
It's not like
We are
this. It's not
diverting
like
from the
this.
topic.
No, it's very much
It's a
a kind of
food.
hierarchical saying vegetarians are someone who is above, and
I think
No,
in
no,
the
no.
regional
There
languages,
is nothing
in
like
Hindi,
that.
It's called Amish and Niramish. So I think that's the opposite of what you're saying. It is meat eater and non-meat eater. So
yes, exactly.
Okay,
I-
so here we wind up. Like, just a one-liner. What's your take? Whether it should be implemented or not?
Yeah, my take would be not to be implemented. It goes against the fabric of Indian society.
Okay, and yours?
I think there should be a survey between all the peoples of IITs and IIMs, and if they agree, let it be. I am in favor
But
of
the
it.
students themselves said they've already said
Not
they
every
don't
student,
have
not every
any
student. You are
problem.
talking about some newspapers who goes to 100 student and says that okay, out of 100, 70 students are saying this, so it is true. It is not like this.
Okay, your
I think RSS apart, the whole conspiracy theory about Hindutva popping out its ugly head apart, I think this move should be implemented. I think they should have not just IIMs and IITs. I think every place should have a separate eating space for people who want vegetarian only company, because that is in line with a person's individual choice.
fair enough.
I completely disagree with the statement, because as per my opinion, this can lead to very severe or long problems for the students as well.
So as you see, some like the hardcore vegetarian, they are very grateful that somebody, be it the RSS, has taken a step to make a separate eating zone for them. They are working for their interests, whereas others they're not very happy at the division of the fooding habit based on the fooding habit. The question lies open to all: is it really for the interest of vegetarian, or it is just another political move to promote the Hindutva ideology? Well, it is not. You don't have to think very hard to answer this. On this note, I am Manisha Sinha, signs off. Goodbye.